Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and please like, subscribe and share my today's video. Today I am going to take exercise 7.2 question number 2 coordinate geometry. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Now what is meant by points of trisection? For that, consider a line AB. The coordinates of point A are given as 4, -1. Coordinates of point B are given as -2, -3. I have to take two more points C and D such that AC is equal to CD equals to DB. It means the points C and D are dividing the line AB into three equal parts. AC equals to CD equals to DB. So if I consider the ratio, I will say that AC is to CD is to DB is equal to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So how will I write it down? Let the points C and D are the points of trisection. That is AC is to CD, AC equals to CD equals to DB, or I can also write therefore AC is to CD ratio DB equals to 1 is to 1 is to 1. This is for line AB, right? By considering the point C and D. Now if I consider only one point, that is only C, so what can I say about this line AB? The point C is dividing AC is to CB in the ratio 1 is to 2. This is how we see. This is AC is 1 and CB is 2. How it is 2? Now look at this portion CB. CB portion mein I can see 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 gives you 2. So CB I will write down 2. AC is already 1. So that is why AC is to CB is equal to 1 is to 2. This is the ratio when I am considering only one single point C, AC and CB portion. But when I'm considering all the 4 points, I can write it like this. So these two things we have to understand in order to do this question. Now first I will find the coordinates of point C by section formula. Coordinates of point C by using section formula, and I will consider the line AB. So what do you see? This point C is dividing the line AB in the ratio 1 is to 2, right? So I use the section formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So what are the values of these m1 x1 x2 and all? M1 is how much? 1. M2 is how much? 2. What is your x1 x y1? This is your x1 y1 4 comma minus 1, and x2 y2 is minus 2 comma minus 3. So all the values you have here in the figure I have mentioned, so you will substitute these values in this formula. So m1 into x2 will be how much? Look here, 1 into minus 2. So 1 into minus 2 plus m2 x1, 2 into 4, 2 into 4 divided by m1 plus m2 will be 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2. Come to the y coordinate, m1 y2, 1 into minus 3. So 1 into minus 3 plus m2 y1, 2 into minus 1. So 2 into minus 1. Divide by m1 plus m2 will give you 1 plus 2. Rest is calculation. This is minus 2. This is plus 8 divided by 3. This you will get as minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Next step, 6 upon 3 comma minus 5 upon 3. So you can cancel it out. So you will get the coordinates of C as 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. So this is your final answer for point C. So this was the coordinate for C. Another coordinate I have to find out, coordinate D. So let us come for calculation for the coordinate D. So this is your, I am drawing this line again. We have to find the coordinates of point D. So this is your line AB. Coordinate of A 4 comma minus 1. Coordinate of B was minus 2 comma minus 3. C coordinate we have already calculated, 2 comma minus 5 by 3, and D coordinate I have to find out. Now again what you see, if I consider this much portion, CB portion of the line, what do you see? CD is to DB is 1 is to 1. It means that D is the midpoint of CB. So I write D is the midpoint of CB. So therefore CD is to DB will be equals to 1 is to 1. Now for this much portion CB, 2 comma minus 5 upon 3 I write as x1 comma y1, minus 2 comma minus 3 represents x2 comma y2, and This is 1 is to 1. So use this midpoint formula for finding the coordinates of D, x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So what will be the coordinates of point D? Substitute the values of x1, x2, y1, y2. So I write down x1 plus x2 will be 2 plus minus 2 divided by 2. Then y1 plus y2 will be minus 5 upon 3 plus minus 3. So minus 5 upon 3 plus minus 3 and divide by 2. So substitute these values in the formula. Rest is calculation. This gives you 2 minus 2, 0 upon 2. This will give you minus 5 upon 3, minus 3 upon 2. This numerator part calculation I have done here. Minus 5 upon 3, minus 3 upon 1. This is LCM method. Do the calculation. You will find out the numerator part as minus 14 upon 3 and this divided by 2 is already there. So I will write down this minus 14 upon 3 divided by 2 and this is 0 upon 2 gives you 0. So next step में reciprocal कर दीजिए 1 upon 2 cancel it out. What are the coordinates you will get as 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So these are the coordinates of point D. So these are your two answers. Number 1 is this and C coordinate we have already done in the previous page. I hope it is clear to you. Bye bye.